In the heart of nature, beavers prepare for their grand engineering feat. These diligent builders create complex structures, a testament to nature's engineering brilliance. With each log added, their dam takes shape, mirroring the layering process of 3D printing. Observing nature closely, we can draw up parallels between beaver dams and modern engineering. Just as the beavers layer logs, engineers layer materials in 3D printing processes. This synergy between nature and technology showcases creative engineering at its finest. Each layer built brings us one step closer to understanding harmony in design and function. Ultimately, beavers teach us the significance of patience and precision in creation. Inspired by nature, let's embrace the lessons from beaver builders in our designs. Join us next time as we explore another amazing intersection of nature and engineering.